Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my channel. This video is about El Chavo del Ocho. This is about Big Show, and here is inspired meme coin Chavo on the TRiX Market, and there is market cap $42,000 that have been increased within last 24 hours near to $18.9 thousand. It means 79% in a positive vibe, and this make it more inspiring for the people so they can also join. This is also a next lovely gem they should not miss out. Link in video description I have given so you can easily join this opportunity. Chavo token is here, and you can easily come to understand how it is going to start the new epic journey. For that, if you want to get this token, come on it, connect the wallet, and then put the number of amount here. Like here is also the Solana, you have to write the number, and here is the limit, zero point 0.3 Solana to so on. You can easily select, like if I am going to write here 1 Solana, then how much token I can get, that have been given here number. You can also check out there is slippage 0.01 protocol, and it is the number estimation that you will receive the token in your wallet. That is also giving the best fetching price according to this chart details and live price too. So now connect your wallet, and next here is also the admin, or you can say the profile admin. Here is also the contract address, but if you want to understand, this is the ecosystem and their social media link that is available. There are the link. Chavo hits also the market inspired by El Chavo del Ocho, million billions of views, global slapstick powerhouse that revolutionized TV and LED on the entire era of comedy. So you will also check there is also the memories for people in crypto now begins. So you can easily get the disclaimer. This is the 100% community token, so you can easily join. Be ready to support this ecosystem. There are some more statistics. Here are all the data. How much volume have been raised? People are coming with the interest, and they are also getting interested into it. They are participating. Everything you can find here. Connect your wallet, and there are top holders' name, their addresses, and how much they hold. Everything with their comment too, like what they think about this token. You can easily check out everything as a proof too. Further, you can also get there is also Big Corp CEO who is behind this concept. There is also listed El Chavo del Ocho, and next $43,000 market cap. You can also get more details about their behind the team. Yes, they are available. So be ready to get link in video description and start analysis. And if you think it can be helpful for you for your future financial opportunities, then go ahead. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video.